Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Jeep Cherokee Latitude Plus 4-wheel drive. Stock number E2408P. 35,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Velvet Red Pearl in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude Plus has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized moonroof. Large, easy with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power moonroof and sunshade control, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway. All that with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.